Today, you will get the best 5 foldable phones of 2024. We've seen some big changes in the world of foldable phones recently. What was once a Samsung-dominated space now has some fresh competition, and some of these new options are pretty impressive. The Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip models used to be your top picks for foldable phones, but the field is a lot wider now with Google, Huawei, Honor, and OnePlus stepping up with new devices. In fact, Huawei recently launched a new triple foldable phones that are taking the world by storm. With this surge in competition, the bar for the best foldable phones has definitely been raised, and we've even seen prices on some of these traditionally pricey handsets drop a bit. So, if you are ready, let's get started. Number 5. OnePlus Open, the foldable phone that's been turning heads for all the right reasons. Now let's be honest, most foldable phones can feel like a bit of a compromise, but the OnePlus Open is here to change the game. It's the first big foldable that feels like it's truly nailed the design. Unlike its predecessors, the OnePlus Open manages to look and feel like a regular phone when folded without any awkwardness. It's not just about looks though. The camera setup here is the best you'll find on any foldable. We're talking about a 48 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto, and another 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and also 20 megapixel and 32 megapixel front camera. These are some seriously powerful sensors, and they're housed in a large bump on the back that's a bit of a trade-off, but totally worth it for the incredible photos you'll get. When you unfold this beauty, you're greeted by a massive 7.82-inch display. It's bright, sharp, and just plain satisfying. The crease? It's barely noticeable, and trust me, it's not something you'll feel when you're using the phone. Plus, opening it up is a breeze compared to other foldables. Now you're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage. The 4805 mAh battery is decent, but could be better. It charges super fast with 67-watt Super VOOC, so you won't be waiting around for too long. OnePlus has kept the software clean and simple, making multitasking smooth and intuitive. The design feels premium, just a heads up. It's only IPX4 rated, so it's splash resistant but not waterproof. Keep that in mind if you're clumsy around water. The OnePlus Open starts at $1,699, which is quite reasonable for a foldable of this caliber, especially considering it's not sold through carriers. You can snag it directly from OnePlus or major online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Overall, the OnePlus Open is a game changer in the foldable space, offering a great display, amazing cameras, and a design that feels right. Number 4. Honor Magic V3, and let me tell you, it's an absolute marvel in the world of foldables. If you're looking for a sleek, high-performance foldable that doesn't break the bank, this might just be your new favorite gadget. First off, the Magic V3 is currently the slimmest and lightest book-style foldable you can get your hands on. We're talking about a design so thin, you might mistake it for a regular phone. It's almost as thin as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Folded up, it measures just 9.2 millimeters thick, and it's a breeze to handle at only 226 grams. Under the hood, you'll find the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with a whopping 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This thing is a powerhouse. The 5150 mAh battery isn't the longest lasting, but it charges super fast, 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless, so you'll spend less time tethered to a charger. The Magic V3 boasts 2 stunning OLED displays. The cover display is 6.43 inches, while the main screen unfolds to a gorgeous 7.92 inches, both with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The main display is nearly creaseless, which adds to the premium feel. Speaking of premium, the camera setup is impressive, featuring a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 40 megapixel ultra-wide, 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 20 megapixel front camera. The portrait effects from the Honor 200 Pro are also included here, making it a top contender in the foldable camera space. On the software front, Magico's 8.0, based on Android 14, offers a unique experience with some iOS-inspired features. It's not for everyone, but if you like a fresh take on Android, you might enjoy the customization options. The multitasking could use a little polish, but it's definitely packed with useful features. It might not have the longest battery life, and it does get a bit warm during heavy gaming, but for its price and design, it's a standout option in 2024. Number 3. Huawei Mate XT Ultimate. This is not just any foldable, it's a game changer in the world of smartphones. If you're into innovative tech, you'll want to stick around for this one. First off, it's incredibly versatile. When folded, it looks and feels like a regular phone. But here's where things get exciting. It can expand into 2 distinct modes. In dual screen mode, you get a square 7.9-inch display. Flip it open even further, and you've got a massive 10.2-inch tablet-like experience. This triple folding design is achieved thanks to a hinge system that lets the display bend both inward and outward, creating a seamless transition between different screen modes. The Mate XT comes with some serious specs. It has Maloon 910 CPU and octa-core CPU, and also the cover screen is a solid 6.4 inches, which is great for quick interactions. The dual screen mode offers 7.9 inches, perfect for multitasking or watching videos. And when you unfold it to the full 10.2-inch tablet mode, you're looking at a display that's almost creaseless, giving you an uninterrupted view. Under the hood, it packs a punch with 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to a whopping 1 TB. The battery is robust at 5,600 mAh, so you'll have plenty of juice for all your multitasking needs. And for all you camera enthusiasts out there, the Mate XT features a versatile setup with a 50-megapixel ultrawide, a 12-megapixel ultrawide, and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, plus an 8-megapixel front camera. One of the standout features is the physical aperture on the camera, which adjusts the amount of light entering the lens for different shooting scenarios. This adds a touch of pro-level versatility to your photos. The Mate XT is available in a range of configurations, with prices starting around $2,800 and going up to $3,370 for the highest storage option. While it's not cheap, it's clear Huawei is aiming to set the bar high in the foldable space. And while it's currently only available in China, it's making waves globally, giving Apple and other competitors a serious run for their money. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This device is a real game changer for around $1,799, especially if you're a fan of stunning screens and cutting-edge camera. When folded, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold looks and feels like a regular phone, thin, sleek, and incredibly portable. But here's where the magic happens. Open it up, and you reveal a colossal 8-inch inner display. That's more screen real estate than even the iPad mini. Whether you're multitasking or enjoying media, this expansive canvas is a treat for the eyes. The front display is fantastic too. It mirrors the Pixel 9's front screen, but with an added bonus of being incredibly bright and vibrant. No compromises here, this is a phone that performs as well as it looks. Now let's talk about the camera system. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold packs a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 10.8-megapixel 5x zoom lens, and a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide camera. These lenses work together to capture stunning photos and videos. The 5x optical zoom is a game changer, letting you get closer to the action without sacrificing quality. And yes, the selfie camera is a solid 10-megapixel, perfect for those high-quality self-portraits. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset with 16 GB of RAM, which ensures smooth performance. While it might lag behind some competitors in raw power, Google's cloud-based AI really shines here. The AI features like Magic Edit and Reimagine are great for photo editing, although they can be a bit hit or miss. I had some quirky results, like a Pooh Bear in a rather unexpected situation. So while the AI is fun to play with, it's not always perfect. Battery life is decent with a 4,650 mAh battery, and it charges at 21 watt. It's not the fastest out there, but it gets the job done. In terms of design, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the thinnest foldable you can buy right now, measuring just 10.5 millimeters thick when closed. That's super sleek for a foldable phone and makes it stand out from the competition. The build quality feels premium and the design lives up to the foldable promise. It's a bit pricey, but if you're into foldables and want the best screen experience, this might just be your new favorite gadget. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the best overall foldable phone, and let me tell you, this foldable is turning heads. First off, Samsung has really stepped up their game with the Z Fold 6. The design is sleek and refined, making it the thinnest and lightest foldable phone they've ever made. When you fold it up, it feels like any other premium smartphone, but when you unfold it, you're greeted with a massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's vibrant, bright, and oh so responsive, perfect for everything from binge watching your favorite shows to serious multitasking. One of the highlights here is the new cover display. It's now 6.3 inches and much wider than before, making typing and navigation a breeze. Plus, the crease is less noticeable, which is a big win for those who find it a bit distracting. The build is sturdier too, thanks to improvements in the hinge and display, which means it's more durable than its predecessors. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and a hefty 12 GB of RAM. This setup ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Storage options are generous too, starting at 256 GB and going up to a whopping 1 TB. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Z Fold 6 comes with a solid trio of rear cameras, a 50 megapixel main, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. They're good, but not groundbreaking. The real star here is the flexibility of the device and how it enhances your daily tech experience. The price? It starts at around $1,899.99, which is a bit steep, but it's packed with features and has that foldable magic that's hard to beat. Plus, with colors like silver shadow, navy, and pink, it's stylish too. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the best foldable Samsung has made yet, offering a fantastic balance of innovation and usability. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the best foldable phones for 2024. I hope this video gave you a clear view of which foldable might be your next big tech upgrade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Your support really makes a difference. Drop a comment below. Are you leaning towards the sleek and innovative Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6? Or is another foldable catching your eye? I'm excited to hear what features are most important to you. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep up with all our latest reviews and tech insights, be sure to subscribe. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.